What is going on, fellas? Welcome to the live stream. Appreciate all of you guys on here. Thank you guys for joining. Let's go also live here on TikTok at the same time. Let's go live here so we can see how we're doing. Appreciate all of you guys on here too. You guys are awesome. Let's get it live. All right, perfect. Okay. Thank you guys for coming. What's up, Sniff? Yeah, buddy. How you been, Sniff? Bitcoin is really boring lately, right? Really flat. Let's take a look here at the markets. Let me just adjust here my TikTok thing. I think now we're good. Now it looks like it's pretty good. Looks like it's pretty good now. Thank you guys for coming. You guys are awesome. Doge Dude Sniff. Boring is better than wrecked. That's true. Right? That is true. It's definitely better than a huge falling knife, right? But I kind of want the markets to go lower. I want to get cheaper prices. There we go. That looks good. All right, perfect. All right, 3, 2, 1. Let's go live. Also on TikTok. Awesome. So we are live here on TikTok, as well as on YouTube. What's going on, guys? Hey, what's up, T Money? Thanks for coming to the live stream, bro. Thanks for coming to the live stream, T Money. I'm so excited for the season, man. I can't wait to watch this. I'm probably gonna. I have a second account, and I'm probably gonna stream like a Chelsea game on TikTok though. But yeah, thank you guys for coming to the live stream. What's up, Neto? Hey, Neto, thanks for coming to the live. If you guys love crypto, follow, leave some likes. It definitely helps out the stream. Appreciate all you guys on here. We're gonna look at the markets, XRP, Bitcoin, the whole markets, DXY, right? I got the DXY here as well. So, yeah, take a look at the market, see where we are headed towards the weekend. It's probably gonna be a super boring weekend. We might stay flat, continue flat. But appreciate all you guys coming on here. What is the support now of XRP? It's trying to hold this 77.76, right? Which we talked about yesterday, us coming, and we were right on point. I actually made a TikTok and shorts on that. We were right on point, and it's trying to hold it. It can still hold it, right? Even though we came lower than we're at 76 something, it can still hold it. So, we're exactly at the support right now. This is a critical moment for XRP. Bitcoin is around 29.9. Bitcoin's about to head back to 30K, so looks like it's good news. Thanks for joining, Joe. Appreciate all you guys on here. Rude Boy, what's up? I remember a lot of you guys from yesterday, the last streams. But thank you guys so much for the likes. What's up, Rude Boy? Man, we were right on point with XRP. Look at that, man. That is you know, it's crazy how just 2 days ago I said we're gonna form a cup and handle, and that's exactly what we formed. Right now, will XRP continue this downtrend that we've been here for a couple days, or is it gonna pivot now that we formed the handle? We shall see, right? Anytime, Neto. Sniff says, yo, TM, Omniflix airdrop on the 31st. You just have to have some Atom staked and buy one of the Omniflix. Oh, really? Let me write that down, cause so I don't forget about it. Can you, Sniff? Can you post it in the Discord if you don't mind? So look at that Omniflix airdrop on the 31st. You just gotta stake some Atom, which I already do. Is there like a specific limit to Atom? Like, do you need like 10 Atom, 20? Or is like any amount of Atom Cosmos good? What's up, Nate? How you been, bro? Nate says XRP is dead. Is it a specific amount of Atom you got to stake for the airdrop? And you said buy one of the Omniflix NFT, which is inexpensive, then burn it. Oh, wait, okay. So it's 3 actions, actually. So to get the Omniflix airdrop, you got to stake Atom, buy the NFT, and then burn it. How are you going to burn it? Do you send it to like a specific wallet or something? I'm gonna have to do some research on that airdrop. And guys, also, if you guys participate in airdrops, make sure it's a separate wallet. Like have a wallet just for the airdrops, right? Well, we already got 100 likes. Thank you guys so much. 95 viewers. Holy cow! Thank you guys so much over at TikTok. You got 3 viewers on YouTube, 3 likes. Chad says, dude, clean your camera lens. Hey Chad, my bad, bro. The reason why I'm filming like this is because TikTok, unfortunately, you can't stream on your PC until you have 10K. So I've been hustling. I'm sorry for my lenses. But I'm trying to get to 10K. I just need 3K more followers, and then we can stream on the PC. It's gonna be way better quality. There's gonna be some background music. It's gonna be way better, but I'll try to clean it in a little bit if I could find a cloth or something. But thank you guys for joining. We already got 86 viewers. I think this was the fastest amount of viewers we got on TikTok. What's going on, buddy? What's up, Sean? How you been, bro? I remember you from last stream. I'm still working on the video. I'm still working on the 10K portfolio for next bull run video. I'm doing my research, and I'll let you guys know when it's out. Well, you'll know when it's out because you guys follow me on YouTube too. So, hey, what's up, Z? Thank you for the heart. Z says, hi, Sir Lewis. How are you? I'm doing good. To be honest, I'm a little sleep deprived from the last couple of days because this is my 4th day streaming in a row. And for some reason, every time I stream, my job just has to give me overtime, right? And I'm sleep deprived, working overtime, so I'm just happy because after tomorrow, I got off Sunday, so I'll be able to live stream earlier on Sunday, so that'll be great. But I've just been hustling. Sean says, I can't wait for it. Hey, me too, man. I'm doing some research. I'm gonna try to make it a really well-made video and give you guys my opinion on my 10K portfolio, what I would buy if I had 10K, and preparing for the next bull run coming soon. So, and I'm gonna make inside the video, I'm gonna make 2 types of portfolios: a conservative version and a authentic version, which is like what I would actually want to do rather than the conservative version. Sniff says, I don't know about the amount for the airdrop. The specifics will be mentioned on the Omniflix Discord. Okay. Yeah, I'm about to do some research, but Omniflix is having an airdrop on the 31st, and you just gotta do 3 things. You gotta stake Atom, you gotta buy one of their NFTs, which according to Sniff, he says it's inexpensive, and then you gotta burn it. So look into Cambria also. Yes, I will. I'll look into Cambria. I haven't had time to look into it, but I'll look into it after the stream, probably this weekend. The Truth Trill, what's up? The Truth. Calvin live up. Yeah, for some reason Calvin Hill, every time Calvin live streams, everyone's on there. But it's all good. I like Calvin Hill. He's spreading the crypto to average people. People that never heard about crypto. But I appreciate all of you guys on here. The 7 phones, I have lots of phones. LOL. Oh, it's you. Oh, it's 7 phones. Oh, no wonder your name's 7 phones. Lake Slide says Ada will top everything. You think Ada will top everything? My thing regarding Ada, like, there's so many people talking good things about Ada, but let's be honest, nothing's being built on Ada. Like, Ada, like, at the moment, like, nothing's being built on Ada. compared to a lot of chains out there. But I still have Cardano. Obviously, I stake it. But I feel like Cardano fans, they're always like talking about Cardano, how good it is and this and that. But compared to other chains, nothing's being built on it at the moment, right? It's kind of like when you go to a small town, a ghost town. Sean says, buy crypto on Coinbase safe and keep on the Nano cold wallet. Yes. Coinbase. If I only had to pick 2 exchanges where I could hold crypto, it would be Coinbase and Kraken. But since I have the option to, obviously having on the cold wallet is way safer. But the thing, Sean, is what you gotta remember though is that when you cold storage your crypto, right? When you don't hold it on an exchange and you have it on cold storage, you are responsible. Okay, so you got to take that responsibility and save your seed phrase. Don't lose it. Save it, and don't lose it. Number one, and don't let someone else take it or steal it. So you got that responsibility. That is what comes with having self custody of your own crypto, and it's worth it. You just got to be responsible. That's it. But it's 100% worth it. Can you do ACH? Yes, you can do ACH on Coinbase. You can do ACH on Kraken. You can do ACH on Crypto.com. And again, guys, if you guys want to join all these exchanges, I don't have Crypto.com, but you can join in my link tree. I have the Coinbase, Gemini, Mexi, and BitGet. Those are the only exchanges I have connected to my link tree. If you guys want to help me out, you haven't joined yet. Head and Shoulders forming. Yes, I was just talking about that in my latest TikTok. We can definitely be forming a Head and Shoulders, right? Well, the one that I see where we can still form is something like that, right? Where we have the shoulder, we have the head, and then we have a second shoulder. This is what I'm gonna have to watch. We're gonna watch this out for XRP. This second shoulder on the neckline. Watch this for the next coming days, the next week or so, because we can form something exactly like this for XRP, which is if this forms, this is bearish. We're going down. If we form a Head and Shoulders, we are definitely going down here for XRP. We find a rest later, bro. For real, Eric. Thank you, Eric, for the support. Eric just said on YouTube, we find a rest later after this hustle. Right, I will keep it in several places. Yes, keep your seed phrases. And look, remember the places that you have it at. Right? Remember the place where you keep your seed phrase. You know what I recommend, Sean? I recommend buying like a fireproof bags. Like they have these fireproof bags on Amazon. And buy like 3 of them and put your seed phrase written in one of those bags. You can also buy like the steel seed phrase thing where you basically like hammer. It's crazy, but you hammer your seed phrase on like the steel thing. And that's great because it's like steel. It's not like paper. And then the other way, I'm going to give you some secrets. The other way to store your seed phrase is to get like an old Android phone or an old tablet. Factory reset it. Do not connect it to the internet ever. And go to the Notes app and write down your seed phrase and like put like a lock on it. A simple lock, like a simple, either it could be like a pattern lock or it could be like a number lock, and boom, you got yourself, because it's not connected to the internet, so people aren't gonna be, because the thing is, if you have your seed phrase like screenshotted on your phone and you have iCloud, you're connected to the internet, it's on these cloud software, that's really, really bad, because if someone hacks it, they're gonna find your seed phrase, they're gonna find that screenshot, and you're done. So keep that in mind. What's up, Mama Lacey? Thanks for joining the live stream, Mama Lacey. Thank you, Z, for the fire. When I buy and hold on wallet, can I sell and buy from it? Also, can I keep all my coins? Can I keep all my coins on Nano? Great question. So, the cool thing about Ledger is that they have a swap feature on the Ledger, which is great. So yeah, you can swap cryptos on the Ledger. The con is it's probably gonna be bigger fees, but you can still swap, you can still sell on the Ledger. And regarding your comment on thank you for the flower, Rick. Thank you for the flower. First gift of the night. Regarding having all the cryptos on the ledger, Ledger has a page where it shows all the crypto blockchains that they have accessible for the ledger. So technically not all of them are you're gonna be able to store on the ledger, but I would say it has a pretty good variety. There's a good amount, like mostly all the blue chip coins. It's probably like some really low cap or mid cap coin that you probably can't store on the ledger, but most of the coins, I would say, at least most of the popular ones, you can store on the ledger for sure. Uncertain Def, what's up, Uncertain? I like your profile. Very good. I'm learning a lot. Hey, thank you, Rick. I'm happy you're learning a lot. I like your profile too. It's like a, what is that, an ogre? She Becker. Oh, all right. Where's XRP going short term? So short term, I think XRP might come down a little bit more, but I think it's gonna hold this, and in the next coming days I think it's gonna slowly start to pivot up. And what I think, my gut feeling is that we're gonna form like another shoulder, something like that, and we're gonna have like a head and shoulders, which is bearish, and we're gonna come to the downside. This is my gut feeling. It's just it's what it looks like it's about to do. But if we do the bullish scenario is if we do stay in a couple days in this range, and then once we do come up, we break this previous high, and that is bullish because we're gonna continue this bullish channel. Okay, making a higher high here around 90 to 94 cents. That's the bullish scenario. But the key thing here obviously is we got to hold this support. We cannot break the support here of 76, 75 cents for XRP, in my opinion. Sketcher says buy Atom, XLM, Quant. Great picks. I have all those. Out of those, the one that I have more is probably a tie between Atom and XLM. I actually have like around the same. But if you have Atom, definitely stake it. You can stake it on your cold storage wallet. Tangem wallet. I heard of the Tangem wallet. I haven't done research on it, but I heard that it's pretty good. But I heard that it's pretty good. But I seen some videos regarding it. I gotta look it up. Crypto Billionaire says, "Hey man, what's up, Crypto Billionaire? How you been, bro? Thanks for coming to the live stream, bro." You can have to link Kepler wallet to OmniFlix NFT marketplace. Oh, okay. So yeah, if you guys have Atom, there's gonna be an airdrop on the 31st for OmniFlix. So do not miss that airdrop. All you gotta do is stake Atom, which you guys already do. Buy one of the OmniFlix NFTs, which is cheap, and then you gotta burn it. So that's all you gotta do for the airdrop. I might make a video. Yeah, we're pretty close to the 31st, so I might make a video on how to do it. So if you haven't yet, still subscribe to my YouTube channel. But yeah, don't miss these airdrop, guys. Like, these airdrops can give you 4K, 5K. You know, some airdrops in the past gave people 10K plus, right? And you can use that money to buy other coins that you're bullish on. So don't sleep on these airdrops. I sent you the OmniFlix Discord invite. Okay, thank you so much, Sniff. I'll check it out on the Discord after the live stream, because I definitely want to do the airdrop for sure. Where do you guys think Bitcoin is headed on the weekend? You guys think it's gonna stay flat? We'll take a look here at Bitcoin. A lot of people think we're gonna pull a Bart Simpson, right? Which definitely looks like it can definitely play off. I mean, you look at this, at some point, right, we may just come back down and pull a Bart Simpson back down to around 26, 27, 27K. So we'll see if we have a crazy big reversal there for Bitcoin in the next coming days. which I hope so, because I want to buy more Bitcoin. I actually at the moment don't have any Bitcoin, and I actually don't have any Ethereum as well, which is crazy. And Doge had a good day, right? I think there was some news regarding Doge. It was all over Twitter. The fact that Elon Musk, he apparently took away the code on the Tesla website for like Bitcoin, but he kept the Dogecoin code on there. And that was like all over Twitter, and that's why Dogecoin is still over 7 cents. But yeah, it's crazy. He kept the Dogecoin code. So apparently, I'm telling you guys, he has Elon Musk definitely has some plans for Dogecoin. And I think it can definitely. I honestly think Dogecoin is destined for $1 at some point. I think it's gonna happen. Right? If you make a video, will be on YouTube or TikTok. If I make the video, which video? The airdrop video. So what I'll do is I'll make the full video probably on YouTube, and then I'll make like a shorter video, like a highlight video on TikTok and Shorts. But if you never did an airdrop before, if you're not, if you're new to it and everything, definitely watch the full video because it's like more in-depth, step-by-step. Yeah, so yeah, I'll probably do like a full video, like 8-minute video on YouTube, and then I'll make like a highlight video, like 50 seconds video, short TikTok, so it could go on TikTok. Thank you, The Truth. Hey, thank you so much. Thank God it's Friday. Thank you so much for the gift, The Truth. TGIF. Even though I have work tomorrow, I'm at least happy I can stream even later on tomorrow because I don't have work on Sunday, so that's great. Sean says, at what % do you take profits, and when do you invest after you take profits? So every time we came down, ever since we came down hard this bear market, right? I've been buying coins. You can see right here for Bitcoin, I've been buying and many coins, right? Many projects ever since from we came down hard this bear market. And most of these coins, I really haven't been trading. I just been holding them long term in my wallet. But the moment that I will take profit, it really depends on the sentiment and where Bitcoin is. So if Bitcoin at some point comes above 40K, 50K, and we start to see altcoins 5x, and we start to see like an altcoin season, then I'll probably take profits, because I know we're definitely gonna have a big dip after a big reaction like that. But at the moment, I haven't been taking any profits. I just been holding long term, to be honest, if I'm gonna be honest with you. And I said the moment I'm gonna make a video on the moment to take profits during the next bull market. I don't think you need to know it right now, because I feel we're definitely far from the price points to take profit for the next all-time highs. Oh, thank you for the corn. But you will know what the next, when we reach all-time highs in the next bull market at the peak, the sentiment is going to be very, very greedy. It's going to be very euphoric. It's going to feel like we're going to keep going up forever, right? People are going to make videos regarding, oh, we're not going to have a bear market in like 3 years or something, and that's going to be the moment where you take profits. What's your YouTube? My YouTube, you can just search Sir Lewis, or you can click on my link tree, and my link tree has my official YouTube. But you can just search Sir Lewis on YouTube. I have like 32K subscribers. You should be able to find me just searching Sir Lewis. But yeah, we're definitely far from the all-time highs. As we get closer to next bull market, though, I'll definitely make a separate video regarding profit taking. But I said in the beginning of December, this year is accumulation year. This is the year that you do your research. You start getting in positions. You don't go all in, right? You accumulate as the year goes on. You accumulate, and you buy the coins that you're most convicted on. That's the key thing. The coins that you're most confident on. Let me know what coins you guys are most confident on. I'm really confident on Chainlink. which has been performing amazing last few days. Matic, I'm really confident on. Another ones too, like Quant. Even coins that haven't been performing well recently, like Algorand. I like Algorand. The first 3K invested, I bought Boy Coin at 49K and ETH at 36. Been down, been still down. Oh, so you bought Bitcoin at 49K and you bought ETH at 3,000. What is that, 3,600 around there? Yeah, so I guess I'm guessing you bought on the way down, right? So I'm guessing you bought, yeah, you bought Bitcoin when we were coming down from the top. And I remember right here back after the all-time highs, right, when we were coming down, a lot of people were still saying like, no, we're not, that was in the top, we're still gonna go up. And look at that, we have another huge bull trap. Then we come up here, we have another big bull trap, and then we just keep going down. That's how that, and then we, you know, that's how we enter the bear market. But man, if you're a long term, you know, Bitcoin definitely is definitely gonna reach above 49K again, and Ethereum definitely gonna reach above 3,600 again. So if you're long term minded, even like 1-2 years, you're definitely good. Can you review XRP chart again? Just joined. Thanks. Hey Tommy, thank you so much, bro. Check out XRP chart again. Appreciate you for joining. If you guys are new to my TikTok and channel, definitely follow. I stream. This is the 4th day I stream in a row, and you know, I'll be streaming a lot more. I appreciate all of you guys on here. But yeah, so XRP at the moment, right? Couple streams back ago, I said we'll form a cup and handle. That's exactly what we did, and we came exactly to the point which I said, which is 77 cents. And looks like we've been holding it for the last 4 candles here on the 4 hour, right? We see right here the last 4 candles. Another thing here which is good is that we are oversold on stochastic, right? You can see the stochastic RSI, we're oversold on the 4 hour. I'm on the 4 hour, which is good. Okay, that's good to see for us to keep holding this this support. But the next move, what I'm watching, what needs to happen is, like I told you guys, we need to hold this, and then eventually when we start working our way back up here, we need to break that previous high of 84 cents to continue this bullish channel to the upside. Because if we don't, we're gonna come up here, stop around 80 to 82 cents, and form another shoulder. As you guys can see, form a head and shoulders. That'll be the second shoulder, and then we come down, because that's, head and shoulders are usually bearish. But if we form a lower high, we're gonna start a downtrend where we keep forming lower highs. So this is what you gotta pay attention for XRP in the next coming days, whether it can break its previous high here of 84 cents. And if we can, then we are good. If not, then we are bearish for sure. Up 101% in Solana, still holding. Wow, that's awesome. Man, I wish I would have gotten Solana. I remember Solana too. I remember the days, the first time I heard about Solana, it was around $18. And I didn't buy anything. Hey Tommy, thank you for the weights. Thank you for the weights, Tommy. I appreciate it. But yeah, man, I wish I would have gotten Solana early. And it went to literally, what did Solana go up to? It went to like 100 and something. It's just insane how fast Solana grew during the bull market. A good analysis. Thanks, Tommy. Anytime, bro. Thank you so much for stopping by the live stream. Definitely follow. It's bearish because SEC is appealing and announced it. Yeah, but the thing is, like, when they announced it, when that news came out, it really didn't affect XRP. Right? We're still in the same range here. You know, if we were bearish, I would have XRP would have definitely lost this range. So I feel like it didn't affect XRP yet. Maybe it's not confirmed yet. Maybe once it's confirmed and they actually do appeal it, then XRP will definitely probably start downtrending hard. It's just it's not 100% confirmed yet, I guess. Sean says, do you do any day trading in stocks? I like to trade biotech. I catch so good runners. Yeah, so before I got into crypto, I used to do stocks. I loved options trading. Let me tell you, if there was no such thing as crypto, I would 100% be in options trading. I told you guys this before. It's just exciting, and there's actually ways to trade options conservatively, right? Doing the covered calls. That was actually one of my favorite ways, because you own 100 stocks. You own 100 shares of a stock, and then you can do options with it. But the reason why I don't trade stocks is simply because I don't have time. I'm just like so focused on crypto, and I'm learning about crypto. I'm trading crypto. I'm making videos on my crypto channel, so I really don't have time for stocks. But the one that I do watch all the time is the SPY, right? The S&P, because that one is connected to crypto, right? It has a big influence on Bitcoin and crypto in general. So I do watch the S&P, I don't watch specific stocks just because I don't have time. 007 says, Ripple or XRP, which one to buy now? Well, they're both the same. Well, there's no Ripple crypto. Biotech and fam curtails. I like the rush. I want to do options. Yeah, man, you should definitely learn options, but don't just do the regular options, which is super risky. Learn how to do the conservative options, where you might get less reward, reward, but once you get the hang of it, it is way better and safer. It's a lot like reading and research. I love the action and 20 minute rush. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. I know those stocks. Biotech. There's penny stocks too, right? So the stock market, there is an exciting part to the stock market for sure. It's not just 1% up, 2% up. There's a lot of exciting trading in the stock market. It's not just crypto. Tommy says XRP is the Ripple. Yeah, exactly. It's the Ripple coin. Just got my account over 40K, 45K, so I can trade as much as I want. Wow, that's awesome. That's great. Congrats on getting into 45K. And where do you like to trade on? Which platform? Big Man says much faster too. What, stock market? What, it depends, right? It's all about the stocks. I mean, if you're trading like Coca-Cola or something like that, it's gonna be way slower, way slower. But if you're trading penny stocks or like the biotech stocks and these risk-on stocks, they move fast. We're gonna buy Singularity Net besides directly. Yeah, I'll check it out here for you. AGIX, right? I can't even say the name, but AGIX, it's at 23 cents right now. You can buy it on, according here to CoinMarketCap, we can buy it on Binance, KuCoin, Bithumb, Uniswap. Let me see. We have Bybit, Huobi, Bitget. So yeah, so look, you can buy it on Bitget and also MXC. And I recommend both of these exchanges. I have my affiliate link to these exchanges. If you want to help me out, you can join Bitget in my link tree or MEXC. I like both of these, and they both have AGIX, so that's where you can buy it at. And they have great fees too. They have great buying fees or trading fees. So I'm on the public now. I'm looking to move everything because they don't let me start trading till 8 a.m. Oh, okay, I didn't know that. So you're on public now, but they don't They don't let you trade until 8 a.m. Lacey says, I'm looking for a good entry into Injective. Yeah, I'll check out Injective for you. I know Injective has been really bullish the last couple weeks or so. NIJ right here. Let's see. So Injective right now coming down, and I would be careful, right? I think we're still coming down here. As you can see, we're coming down from being super overbought from a couple days ago. I believe 2 days ago. But at the same time, this is a big support range. This is a big support for Injective. Look at that, right? So it can very well bounce off of this. I think personally, I wouldn't make a move right now. I would wait it out a little bit, because I think what's going to happen is it's probably going to stay flat into the weekend. And you want to be careful too trading in the weekend. Be careful trading crypto in the weekend, because it's really hard to trade crypto on the weekend. But I think it's probably going to stay flat, if I had to guess, for the weekend, and try to form some more support in this key. Look, if you look back here, this was a big resistance. You see that? Like double top, and we come down here twice again, and this is the third time. So this third time we can very well lose it. Okay, we might not hold it like we did here. So, you know, I would wait it out a little bit, let it stay flat, watch what we see in the weekend, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna stay flat for a little bit longer, in my opinion. I hit a good one yesterday, 1K in 20 minutes. Wow, really? Sean made 1K in 20 minutes. What you were trading what stock? What type of stock? A biotech stock? Big man says agreed. Yeah, be careful trading, guys, on the weekend. It's usually there's usually not a lot of volatility. There's not a lot of volume, right? That's why crypto on the weekend is kind of like hard to trade. Sean says, I wish I knew more to trade crypto. Hey Sean, if you're trading good with stocks, man, you can definitely learn a crypto. It's just like a different style, right? It's a different style than like stocks, crypto, forex. They're all different. But I'm pretty sure if you can make money trading stocks, I'm pretty sure you can make money trading crypto. It's just it's learning curve. But how do you like to? Do you use a lot of leverage, or do you just use spot trading? Well, thank you guys so much for the likes. We got 3,000 likes so far. You guys are awesome. Lacey says thank you. Anytime, Lacey. Appreciate you coming on here. Big man says XRP is still pretty solid right now. Yeah, I agree. And look, XRP can very well hold this range, right? We can hold this range, and we can bounce off of this in the next coming days if we are bullish. I feel as though XLM will better in the mid. What do you mean, Michael? What do you mean XLM will better in the mid? It's the same thing, but crypto doesn't close. I mean, I wouldn't say it's the same thing. I feel like crypto, like I said, crypto, forex, and stocks, you can ask you can ask people that trade all these three or two of them. They'll tell you that it's different, like the style, how it moves, it's kind of different than stocks and forex. But yeah, the biggest difference in that is that crypto is always, you can always trade it, but during the weekends there's less volume, it's less volatile, and that's usually why usually on Sunday evening into Monday, that's usually when we start getting more volatility in the crypto markets after like a boring Saturday. Where is a good place to learn to trade crypto? Great question by Mary B. So TradingView, which is the platform that I'm using right now, in my opinion is the best, because you can basically chart on your computer, and then you can download the app and have it on your phone. And basically every type of change that you do on your, like, I could put this here, right? I could change this here. It's gonna save that on my phone. You just gotta make a separate account. And the cool thing about TradingView is that you can add a bunch of indicators. You can draw. It's just not it's not an official broker, so you can't actually trade unless you connect to like an account on it, which I think they let you connect Bitstamp and Gemini if you have those. This TradingView is definitely a great place to learn how to trade. And then if you want to trade, you can use MEXC, Bitkit. In my opinion, are my favorite two. If you wanna help me out, you can use the link in my link tree. But I like trading in those two. You think XRP will drop to 75? To be honest, yeah, I think it will, cause we're just showing a lot of weakness here, right? I think we might come to 75 and then we might bounce off of that. I think 75 might be the straw where we bounce off. XLM will give you more in returns than XRP. You think so, R1? I mean, the last couple days, XLM has been outperforming XRP a little bit more better, so you might be right on that. Sean says, honestly, I'm just trading, watching the ticker, reading news, and watching the float volume. Yeah, that's a great, and look, a lot of, that's a great strategy, and that's kind of like my strategy too. I'm watching a lot of price action, right? A lot of people that get into crypto, if you're getting into trading, price action is huge. You want to learn how to trade with price action, no indicators at first. Learn how to trade price action. Learn how to read, like Sean said, read the float volume, the order flow, right? Mary B says, do you use VPN? No, I don't. You don't need VPN with MEXC and Bitkit. Like you would with Binance or a Bybit, but for these two you don't need VPN. Right. T says, agreed. I have buy orders around that price. Yeah, and I think, and look, we can look right here, the stochastic, we are super oversold, right? We are very oversold on the 4-hour. So we'll see how XRP reacts this weekend. I think we're gonna stay flat over the weekend. Need to learn candles. I'm messing with fire. I know I could get burnt, but you stop loss. Yes. Thank you, Sean, for pointing. I forgot. How can I forget about that? Have a stop loss. Even if like you could get angry if you get stopped out like 5 times, but have a stop loss. Learn to use a stop loss so you don't get your account to 0, right? So you don't get burnt to 0. So instead of losing 100% of your trade, you'll lose 5% or 10% or something, depending on your risk management. Anytime, Mary B. And yeah, if any of you guys are looking to get into exchanges, all the ones I recommend are all in my link tree. If you want to help me out, you can use my link. I have Coinbase on there, I have Gemini, I have MEXC, Bitkit. Sometimes it's okay to be in it for the long haul. Yeah, for sure. No indicator says, why would anyone need a VPN for crypto? So I think she was saying that regarding like the exchange, because some exchanges don't let you trade or buy crypto in the USA. So like Binance, for example, you would need a VPN to use Binance or Bybit, and I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of other ones. That's what she meant. Ruboy says, which is better, MEXC or Bitkit? I personally like Bitkit better for trading, but MEXC is almost good enough. It's not like it's not like Bitkit's way better. It's just I prefer Bitkit a little bit better because they have higher leverage. They have some coins, a little bit more variety, but I like both of those. Big man says, or marry your laptop. Crypto Billionaire says, Matic, OP, AGIX, Algo, FTM, Zen. I think we go to the top, then Bart Simpson. Yeah, we might pull a Bart Simpson on Bitcoin, right? Jenna says, you think it's going up or down? I think we're gonna stay flat. I think we're gonna go down more. stay flat and then start working our way up here as we enter Sunday night, Monday. But again, just my gut feeling, not financial advice. AMC 2.77 after hours. Yeah, I saw it. AMC had a huge pump right after hours. What's up, Lewis? Did the USDT transfer to KuCoin work for you? Hey, what's up? I am him. I'll be honest, I didn't test it yet. I just been so busy, with the live streaming, creating content. I literally been sleep deprived the last days, to be honest. But hopefully I'll have some time after the stream. I'll definitely test it out. But I think it should be good because I checked my KuCoin account. I did check it, and it looks like it's they're not requiring KYC. So Big Man says stop loss or laptop marriage. Yeah, great point. Right, if you don't put a SL, you're gonna have to marry your laptop, unfortunately. Hey, thank you guys for following me. Wow, we got 56 viewers, 3,000 likes. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you ZZ for the heart. Sean says, does crypto trade different than stocks? I would say so. I would definitely say so. I don't know how to explain it because it's been so long since I traded stocks. But, well, number one, overall, in my opinion, crypto is more volatile for the majority of the stocks. Obviously, not all the stocks are slow, right? But I just feel like the language, like crypto. Another thing, too, is like crypto follows... most of the coins follow each other very similarly, right? A lot of them follow Bitcoin. When Bitcoin comes down in dominance, when you see a Bitcoin dominance come down, usually all coins start to pump. While in the stock market is more stabilized. Like there's certain stocks that do good, really good one day, and then there's stocks that do really bad, right? You usually don't see that in crypto. I mean, it's really rare, right? But in the stock market, there's multiple companies that are huge, so it's not like they're all gonna follow each other like in crypto, I would say. I'm gonna say, as we go more into the future and we have more market, we have more of a total market cap of 5 trillion, 8 trillion, 10 trillion in the crypto space, you're gonna see it following similar to the stock market, because there's gonna be way more money in crypto. It's gonna be less volatile, and there's probably by the time we have 5 trillion, 10 trillion, there's definitely gonna be some big projects that sometimes one of them might do good one day, and then the other ones, might do a different, right? It's not gonna be like everyone's following each other in a similar pattern. That's my opinion in the long run. So basically, in the long run, crypto is gonna be similar to the stock market. The reason why it doesn't follow it is because we're literally at 1 trillion. We're at 1.16 trillion total market cap. That's how early we still are, right? You look at this chart, 1.16 trillion total market cap, while the top of the bull market of 2021, we touched 3 trillion total market cap. So crypto billionaire says, you just use leverage according to your stop, and liquidation is your stop loss. Yeah, then you don't need to put so much on the trade. It's actually safer. Yeah, great point by crypto billionaire on YouTube here. I want to trade full-time, get nervous trying to work and trade. I work on the operating room, can't do. Yeah, man, that's the dream, right? Being able to get to the point where you can trade full-time, but it's very risky. You gotta have a lot of good risk management. You gotta know what you're doing. And what I would say is, like, have it as a side hustle, right? When you're done working, put in a lot of time by looking at the charts. The more times you put in looking at the charts trading, the more experience you will have, the more intuition you'll have, And another thing too is like when you have your off day, right? The days that you have off, spend the majority of the day trading, looking at the charts, because the difference from like a weekday is big compared to like the weekend, right? As for crypto, because obviously the stock market is closed on the weekends. But I remember back when I traded stocks, like when I had my days off, like I would trade, because that was the only time I could trade. I couldn't trade on the weekend, on Sunday. Yeah. Hey, thank you CX for following me. Hey, if you guys love crypto, definitely follow. I also got a YouTube channel. But we're just taking a look here at XRP. We're just taking a look at where we might start heading here. I'll also take a look here. We're gonna take a look here at the biggest gainers on the day. Here in the market overall. Right, side hustle. I'm off on Tuesday and Thursday. That's great. If you're off on Tuesday and Thursday, then you wanna treat it as your job. So wake up early, right? Start looking at the pre-market and trade for most of the day. Learn to look at the stock market, the crypto markets. Billionaire says XRP past $1 soon. I hope so. Look, for my XRP holding, guys, I'm probably gonna start taking profits around 1.20 to 1.40 at some point when we reach there. That's why I'll take some profits, just being honest. But let's take a look here at the biggest gainers of the day. Here on CoinMarketCap, we can see here on the 24-hour, right? We have Casper around 7% on the daily. I have this on my watch list, Casper. Mask Network 6%. XDC, I also have this in my watch list, up 5% on the daily. Synthetics 3%. Luna Classic, which I also do own, 3%. And then we have Litecoin and Dogecoin up around 2%. So not a lot of big gainers today, right? But let's take a look at the biggest losers of the day. Let's see which coins here are down the most. Thought about paying for some of these sites that give alerts. Are they like channels, or are they like sites? Like signal alert sites. But just taking a look here, the biggest losers of the day: GMX down 6%, Compound down 5%, Maker down 7%, Stellar down 5%, Injective down 5%. So a lot of big coins here down more than 3%, right? HBAR down basically 3%, XRP down 2.6%. So, we're definitely gonna probably be flat over the weekend. That's bullish chart consolidating. Now next move up higher. Yeah, what we want to see here is a consolidation, like you said. We gotta hold this range and then move up higher. But like I said, when we move up higher, we gotta break this previous high. We can't come up here, form a lower high, because then it's basically gonna be a head and shoulders. Okay, so we gotta break that previous high here for XRP. Yup, at 6 a.m. what brokerage would you suggest to trade at 7 a.m. in options and buy in cold store? So you're talking about regarding crypto or stocks? Because you said options, right? So like when I used to trade stocks, my favorite one was Webull. They have a great options user interface. They make it super simple and it's like really in depth. So I personally like Webull. I should put my Webull link in my link tree. I forgot why I took it out, but I do have a Webull account. But Webull is great. And they have I remember I used to trade options on there. It was a great user interface. They make it super simple. No Name says XRP pop was last week. It's done. You think so, No Name? You think we're gonna get a big reversal for XRP? If you think so, where do you think XRP could come down to? what price point. I think if we do have a big reversal, definitely around 60, 59 to 61 for sure, around here, which would be great, right? Sites that give text or dash alerts. Oh, okay. Yeah, be careful with a lot of those sites. Some of those sites are scammy, right? So be careful with those signal alert sites. And if you do join one where they explain, or where they give you setups, not just signal alerts, like not just like buy here, buy now. Join one where it tells you like, oh, this is the setup and this is why we're bullish, or this is the setup to the downside. Vazi says XRP ain't breaking out. Yeah, I don't think XRP is gonna be breaking out anytime soon over the weekend. But I think we can definitely, if we stay flat, if we manage to hold this over the weekend, we can definitely break out into next week, in my opinion. That's if we hold this support. If you consolidate and hold this support, it's gonna be key, right? Hey, what's up, FaZe? How you been, bro? Thanks for joining the live stream. Is more volatile on the weekend for crypto? No, it's less volatile. Usually, like there might be one weekend where it's volatile, but for the most part, it's usually less volatile on the weekends. Sean says, crypto, all one site to do it all with one brokerage. Yeah, so I don't think there's one site where they have like, where you can, you know, well, Webull, they actually have coins on Webull. They have crypto on Webull, which you can trade. You just can't do options with the crypto, obviously, but you can trade crypto on Webull. But Webull lets you do options for stocks. You Roof Token, thank you for following. You heard of Trade the Bull? Yeah, I heard of them. Is that the one you're looking at? Trade the Bull? Hey, thank you, FaZe Hayes. FaZe Hayes, an OG fan here, as well as Crypto Billionaire. What about the one that show how to trade with trend lines and patterns? Are those good? What do you mean? Which? Can you give me a more description? So you're saying the one that shows how to trade with trend lines and patterns? What do you mean by that? Sean says yes. Thank you, Adrian, for sharing the live. Man, appreciate all of you guys. We got almost 4,000 likes, 45 viewers. CB over at YouTube says the best way to make money as a newbie is to put 60% of your money into 5 projects. The rest allocate for lower prices and black swan event. Then sell 10% at the certain point and buy back lower. Yeah, that's a great point, because you know, the pro to that is that you're only going to be focusing on those 5 projects, right? So you're going to be focused on those 5 projects, and you're going to be trading them and allocating your money and having risk management. So I like that style. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people have only 5 coins or 3 to 5 coins that they're investing in. My style is different though, because I'm not really trading a lot of them. I'm holding them long term. So I have more than like 20 coins that I have invested in. The Saw says courses and mentorships like Discord. Oh, okay, I see. To be honest, I never tried those. But if you learn, if you're learning from that, then it's great. As long as you're learning and you're growing your technical analysis. But so if you don't break 83, we going back down. Yeah, definitely. I mean, like, well, because what's gonna happen is when we start to bounce up, right? If we form a rounded top, we're gonna come down because we're creating a lower high, and not just that, we're creating a head and shoulders, which is very bearish. Okay. And And also that we're gonna create a downtrend. So that's where you guys gotta keep your, if you guys are trading XRP or if you're looking at XRP for the next coming days, next week, you gotta watch out when XRP starts to rise back up. Is it gonna break its previous high? Right? Is it gonna break its previous high? Or is it gonna create another neck here on the head and shoulders? Another shoulder here on the head and shoulders and create a lower high, which is very bearish, in my opinion. I got about 10 to 15 coins. That's pretty good. 10 to 15 coins. The reason why I got a lot is because I do a lot of research on a lot of these coins, but it's not like I have a crazy amount on all the coins. It's just that like some coins I literally got $50 worth, and then some coins I got 200, and then some coins I got 1,000. You see what I'm saying? Now some people can say like, okay, instead of having $50 on like these 10 coins, don't have, you know, $50 in those 10 coins and put it all in one blue chip. Right? Some people prefer that, but I like having different coins. Will your 10K video have coins to buy and hold with some trading and highs and lows? Yeah, I'll show. It won't be like super long, but I'll show like the all-time highs and the lows, just to put like a just to give you a perspective of where it can go to in the next bull market and where its lows were. So I'll probably show that. User 08 says big old crash coming. Hey man, I think so too. I think Bitcoin is gonna have a big pullback at some point after topping out. Like we may have topped out around 31K, and the big crash, the big old crash might be the next coming weeks, right? I think for sure we're gonna have a big pullback, especially before the halving. What's a good price to enter XRP, XLM? Man, at the moment, like I said, crypto on the weekend is tricky. I would just be watching XRP on the weekend. And if it holds this low, like by the end of the weekend, if it holds, you know, 76, 77, then I would be more bullish, and I would probably long it around this support. But then I'll probably start taking profits around like 82 cents. So that's my setup. That's what I would do. Jabari says XRP might go below 40% if they go with Ripple IPO. You think so? But what do you mean Ripple IPO? Where can you check for all-time highs for any coin? So you can check it on CoinMarketCap. It's one of my favorite apps. You go right here on CoinMarketCap, right? You click whatever coin you like. So we'll check out Cardano, and right here it'll tell you. Does it tell you on the side? No. I think if you go to analytics, no chart. It used to have it before here on the site, on the side. Oh, right here, yeah. If you scroll down, you will see right here it says all-time high $3.10. You see that? And it says here also the all-time low. It gives you the all-time low. So that's why I like CoinMarketCap. Definitely download it. What you can also do is you can go to the chart and manually check it yourself. You can see right there. So, and I do have my private watch list on CoinMarketCap, but if you guys want to get it, it's in my Patreon. It's just my watch list on all the coins that I own, or I'm looking to get a position in. But there's a lot of coins on there. There's like low caps, mid caps. This market sucks. I agree, Gringo. I agree. This market is just super flat, right? Bitcoin doesn't make up its mind. Last coming days we just been under 30K, above 30K, and You can see right here for the last weeks, we just been in this huge range here for Bitcoin, in between 31K and literally 29K. So ever since we had the huge pump back in June 23rd, we just been in between 31 and 29K. This is where what Bitcoin has been doing, right? And you know, I'm predicting, even if we have a big move to the upside, at some point we're gonna have a big pullback, and I mean a big pullback, not like a 10K, like I mean like a big pullback before the next halving, for sure. XRP going to 50 cents, then we'll take it off. You think so, Slow Eek? Yeah, I mean, you know, I talked about 60. I talked about 59 to 61 cents. I think 59 to 61 cents is a big target here. But yeah, 50 cents. I could definitely see 50 cents. I mean, it's a big pullback, right? I mean, you're literally talking about right here. It's a really big pullback, but I can see it happening in the long term. You know, maybe it could take a month. But why would XRP be negatively affected by Ripple's stock IPO? Yeah, why do you think that XRP would be that would be negative for XRP regarding the IPO? Anytime, Rude Boy. Remy, thank you for following. Thank you guys. We got 4,000 likes. Appreciate the likes, guys. If you guys love crypto, if you just found my channel, definitely follow. I also got a YouTube channel, but this is the 4th time I live stream here, and I appreciate all you guys on here as always. Might be a Bart Simpson. Yeah, it's looking up like a Bart Simpson, right? Exactly like a Bart Simpson pattern, something like that, right? Which is Bart Simpson's head. And at some point we just have a big reversal, such a big reversal that's, you know, the same as the first. And if we were to have a Bart Simpson, we would come down to around 26,600. So that would be like, you know, the big price target here for Bitcoin, around 26,600. That's if we were to have the Bart Simpson at some point, or a big reversal. Ripple IPO stocks. And what makes you think Ripple is gonna IPO? Sean says, what price do you think Bitcoin and ETH get to the indicators? Get to that indicates a drop. What price? To be honest, I gotta zoom out more here to look at that. Right, especially for Bitcoin, I gotta zoom out a lot more. But yeah, so I'll check it out here. Let's zoom out a little bit here for Bitcoin. But we can see right here that we've been in this really bullish channel, right? For Bitcoin, if we do pull back hard for Bitcoin, I can definitely see right here, right? Obviously, we can pull back, and I think around 27 is a big target. 27K, 27,500. Right? If we look, we'll be very bearish for Bitcoin is if we do break this aggressive uptrend that we've been here since 15K. Right? Let's say if we do slowly pull back and then we break it, that might signify a big reversal to the downside, right? A big selling off before next halving. So that's something to watch out for. If we break this huge uptrend here for Bitcoin, that is telling me that we're gonna have a big reversal and sell off over time until the next halving at least. How many quant do you think will be good to have? Rude boy, honestly, I think 10 quant is probably really good. Right? At least 5 quant. My goal is 10 quant. I know it's a humble amount. But my goal is 10 quant. I think it's good. But at least 5 quant QNT. Right? If QNT goes to $1,000, you know, you invest $1,000 because QNT is around $100 right now. So you invest $1,000 in QNT at $100 of QNT. You'll have $1,000, and if QNT goes to 1K, which I believe it can go, if it is a survivor and if it is successful for next bull market, if it goes from 100 to 1,000 QNT, that investment will be 10K, or you'll basically 10x your money. So, but when you think about QNT has less supply than Bitcoin, which is insane. So we'll check it out here on CoinMarketCap, right? The max supply of QNT, right? The max supply of QNT. If you check it right here on CoinMarketCap, you'll see max supply is 14 million, right? What is that? Is that 14 million? Yeah, 14 million max supply. The circulating supply is 12 million. So that's the supply that's in circulation right now. So when you think about that, QNT has less supply than Bitcoin, and has a chance of having true utility. That is, it can go to some crazy, even more than 1K over time. So Charmin, thank you for following me. Man, the latest crab is so straight and tight, hard to tell. Yeah, it is, right? I mean, look at that. It kind of looks like a diamond. You guys think it looks like a diamond pattern? Something like that, right? So we might have a diamond pattern. That's usually bearish. Usually bearish for Bitcoin. Jabari says you can invest into Ripple right now on Liquint. Also, Ripple is talking about going public. Oh, okay, they're talking about going public. Wow. So why do you think Ripple going public will be bad on XRP? What makes you think that will have a bad effect on the XRP? Sean asks, what do you like about trading crypto? Great question. So what I like about trading crypto is that it can be very since crypto moves really similar together and it has connection to the DXY, it has connection to Bitcoin dominance, it has connection to the total market cap. You can add all these charts you can add all these charts, and you can do a really good job at looking at Bitcoin dominance, total market cap, even the SPY, right? And even Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you can see how everything is connected, and you can get consistent on that. And trading altcoins, you get consistent on that. You leverage trade, you can make a lot of money. That's what I like about crypto. It can be very you can really it's not unpredictable for the most part. It's not unpredictable. And I also like the fact that it's always open, right? You don't have to wait at 8 a.m. on Monday to start trading crypto. It's 24/7 ever since it was created. Well, ever since it was tradable. Apple user says there's not a lot happening. Yeah, that's usually how the weekend is. There's less volume. Kenneth says, what does the SPY have anything to do with Bitcoin headband? I mean, it has a lot to do with the crypto markets, right? Usually we've seen from past history when the SPY is bullish, Bitcoin has also been bullish to the upside, right? Because the DXY is bearish. Usually the SPY in the stock market and crypto in general is bullish and it moves up, which it has been, right? The last couple weeks and months. And usually when the SPY is bearish, there's been plenty of times in the past where Bitcoin is also bearish. So, but again, it's not like it's all the time, right? It's not like it's even recently we've seen the SPY in the stock market almost reach all-time highs, and Bitcoin really has just been kind of flat. Big Man says XRP possibly $6. Yeah, I mean long term, right? Not anytime soon, I don't think so. But long term for sure. Maybe next bull run. We might see a $6 XRP. You think it's easier or harder than day trading stocks? So like I said, it's been like 2 or 3 years since I day traded stocks, but I would say that it really depends. I would say that it's easier if you have the right setup. Yeah, like it's hard to tell. It depends on which crypto you pick and also which stock you pick. But I would say that it's easier. SPY and Bitcoin, not yet. They are correlated. I mean, there's been plenty of times in the past where the Bitcoin moves with the SPY is just not like 100%. If I were to pick, it would probably be like 70%, 80%. So we can even look at that, the 2020, right? The COVID crash, where stocks came crashing down, Bitcoin came crashing down, and then when we got the news that the government was gonna print, trillions of dollars, what happened? Bitcoin exploded, stock market also exploded, so they are correlated. It's just not 100% correlation. Sean says, where can I get candles like you have there for stocks? What do you mean the candles that I have here? So, I mean, you should be able to edit them on your trading platform. If not, you can just look at TradingView. You can just sign up on TradingView. Cup and handle appearing. Yeah, we already have a cup and handle. I talked about this last live stream when we were like around here, and we nailed it. Right, we have that handle. Now we gotta hold this over the weekend and see if XRP can start moving up. In my opinion. DXY up. The other 48 billion of XRP is locked up into escrow and can't be used until they pay them legal fees. Really? So look at that. So Jabari just said, because Jabari said that he thinks the Ripple IPOing is gonna be bad for XRP, but he just said that 48 billion of XRP is locked up into escrow, and it can't be used until they pay the legal fees. I didn't know that. That's crazy. So people will take their profits to invest in the IPO to get more value. Oh, that makes sense. I guess that makes sense. I still feel like people that hold XRP won't like take profits. Like they're gonna stick to XRP mainly because the price targets that it can reach, right? The crazy price targets, if it actually does its utility. So I don't think they'll take crazy amount of profits from XRP. If anything, they'll just probably buy the IPO but not take profits. User says, what hard wallet do you like? My 3 hard wallets that I have is Ledger, Keystone, and the EliPal. All my links are in the link tree if you want to get one. I also have review videos on YouTube comparing both of them. So what's my target for the cup and handle? I mean, if this plays out, right? If we do have a cup and handle, my target is around 90 to 94. So it's around here somewhere. My target's around here somewhere, around 90 to 94. If the cup and handle plays out to the upside, right? Be around here, 90 to 94, and we can slowly, But the thing is, we gotta break the previous high of 84 cents, because if we don't, we're gonna form a head and shoulders. So if we don't break the previous high of 84 cents, what's gonna happen is XRP is gonna slowly come back up, stop around 80 to 82 cents, form a lower high, and then come back down. You see? And we form a lower high, we're gonna start forming a down trend, and on top of that, we obviously form a head and shoulders, which is bearish. So the next coming weeks, the next coming days, you gotta watch out for XRP's move to the upside. Is it gonna form a lower high, or is it gonna break its previous high of 84 cents from a couple days ago? 90 to 94 based on the uptrend, right? You can see right here. Right, so if we do have a big move to the upside, I'd say that 90 to 94 is where we'll have a pit stop. I don't think it'll just like go breaking through that, but those are my targets. What coins do you buy and hold long term? So all the coins that I buy and hold a long term, I have them all in Coinbase market cap on my watch list right here. If you want to get my watch list, it's on Patreon, but I'll share here some coins for you guys. Obviously Polygon, Chainlink is one of my top 3 for sure. VeChain, Quant, and the thing is, like, all these coins that I hold, it's not like I hold the same value for all of them. Like, I have more invested in Chainlink than like Algorand, for example, right? Or Render. Okay. But I do like Theta. I like Polygon. And Cardano and Solana, they're kind of like the same tier for me. I'm not sold yet on Cardano and Solana. I think at least one of those two are probably gonna go to zero, either Cardano or Solana. But I still have both of them. I stake both of them. Well, it's not random lines, because if it was random lines, it'll be like that, right? That's a random line right there. So this is a random line right there, right? That's a random line. It's not like it's compared to something like that, right? Guys are hilarious. Yeah, pit stop. Like you get on a bus. Apple user says, "What a good meme coin." Meme Hub said, "What next, XRP?" I think we're gonna stay flat over the weekend. Usually we stay flat, and if we can hold this level, right, we're probably gonna start working our way back up here over the next coming days, and possibly form a shoulder, which would be very bearish and will probably play to the downside. But when we do start to come up, you want XRP to break its previous high of 84 cents. That's what you want to happen right there, in order for us to keep on this uptrend. But I don't know. I feel like that would be kind of hard coming into next week. I like XLM. I hold both XLM and XRP. Why the Tether DPEG on Binance.us? Look, I would stay away from Binance.us, but they're probably having a lot of liquidity issues. Binance is going through some things right now too. You know, regarding regulation and lawsuits and everything. But I would stay away from Binance.us. They can easily, I mean, they stopped my account for like 3 months. And then after like 3 months, like I was able to trade, and I just took all my crypto from there. I mean, it wasn't a lot. It was like less than $100, but you don't want to keep your, and that goes for all exchanges. You don't want to keep all your crypto on these exchanges, only if you're like trading or if you're going to have limit orders, right? Jabari, thank you for following me, bro. Appreciate you guys for following. 6,000, we almost got 7,000 likes. Thank you guys so much for the likes. What about XDC? I like XDC. I don't have as much XDC as I do with XLM and XRP, but I do have a little bit of XDC. It is way more lower cap, but I like XDC. It's one of the ISO compliant coins, right? Which is it's good for regulation. Sean says, explain meme coin and utility coins, etc. Different types in general. Great question by Sean. And you know, a lot of people that come into crypto, they really don't. They really want to learn, you know, meme coins and utility coins. But mainly the thing is, like, meme coins are coins that's built on hype. They're different from utility coins because utility coins have a utility based on their coin. So, for example, I'll give you a utility coin here, Render, right? Render is a utility coin that has a real-world utility, and their utility is, if you go right here to the website, they're basically like a decentralized rendering platform. So right here, distributed GPU rendering, and by that, the utility is they take rendering power from around the world, or whoever wants to participate in this, to give that rendering power to people that need it, that don't have strong GPUs to maybe render a movie or a game or a video. And with that, where the token comes in is people that give that rendering power, they receive render token. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. They receive the token, and that's how that coin has utility. And there's many types of utilities. There's utilities for like a discount, like a lot of exchange tokens, like Binance. They give you a discount for having their coin. That's a form of utility. And there's other forms too. And then meme coins, like I said, meme coins are really just hype and just a lot of marketing, to be honest. Thank you, Seal, for the heart. Thank you so much. When the next bull run, end of the year for 2024? I've been saying that for like, it's insane, because I've been saying that like ever since I believe May or April. And then all I hear is the same thing. Like, a lot of people are saying the same thing. I'm pretty sure they didn't hear me, but everyone's saying the bull market's gonna be like end of 2024, beginning 2025. So I feel like since everyone is saying it, it's probably gonna be different, right? But yeah, I don't think we're gonna reach all-time highs right after the halving or before the halving. I think it's gonna take a couple months after. But I feel like people are saying that because we look back at cycles, right? And everyone likes the 4-year cycle. And look at the 4-year cycles, and they see that usually all-time highs reach after a couple months, or I forgot how many days after the halving. So they think it's gonna be the same way this time. But again, nothing's guaranteed. Like, for the 4-year cycles don't have to be exactly the same. It might not be the same. Sniff says Matthew Crowder said Ripple will have to pay more than $700 million to beat the appeal. Really? So look at that, Matthew Crowder. He said that they're gonna appeal it, and Ripple's gonna have to pay $700 million. You know, we'll see if they actually appeal, right? I think the news came out today saying that they are gonna appeal it, But we'll see if the SEC does appeal it. It'll be interesting to see what would happen next with XRP. Jabari says bull run 2025, but you will see it coming at the end of 2024. Yeah, that was my same opinion for the last months or so. Jabari, just what he just said. That was my same opinion regarding the. I think we're definitely gonna see all-time highs in 2025. Like the when you know, Bitcoin over 100K. We're definitely gonna see it in 2025 for sure. User says August 2024. So you think it's gonna be August 2024? I could see it start to moving up. August 2024. Maybe we might be around 50K. Maybe just a little bit under the all-time high from like what was it, 60, 65, 64. But I don't think we'll reach all-time highs in August 2024. Big Man says XRP, wait till it drops to about 56 cents. Buy and watch it go up to $3, possibly $6. September 20 this year? You think it's gonna reach $3 to $6? I mean, in order for it to reach that point, there has to be some big news. That's the only way. The only way for XRP to reach $3 to $6 this September is if we have some of the biggest news ever regarding XRP. Sean says, what's your thoughts on BlackRock and other big company wanting ETFs? Yeah, I think BlackRock, you know, is just like everyone else, right? Thinks about BlackRock is just they have so much money, so much power, and obviously, like, it's evil. Really, like they can literally just buy up a bunch of real estate, and that's their plan. Their plan is to buy up a crap load of real estate, get everyone to rent, and get everyone to basically own nothing, and just make it convenient. And I think that's gonna be their theme. They're gonna make it convenient for the, you know, millennials growing up now into the future, to the point that they're not gonna look to buy real estate. But I do like the fact that, you know, they're coming in with the ETFs, and even though I don't like BlackRock coming into crypto is gonna be good, because that's gonna be a lot of money flowing in, which is gonna obviously pump the crap out of the crypto markets, and we'll probably see the total market cap go to 5 trillion, 10 trillion. And just imagine the coins that you're invested in now that survive when we are at total market cap 5 trillion. Imagine the price of your coin that survives, right? So let's say you bought Chainlink. Imagine how much Chainlink will be at 5 trillion total market cap, or 10 trillion total market cap in the crypto space. So it really is generational wealth for the next coming years. Pepe 2.0. I haven't checked out Pepe 2.0. I know after Pepe blew up, there's been other Pepe coins blowing up too. But I don't even think I can get it up here on a coin trading view to chart it. But yeah, Pepe's a meme coin too, right? With the hype. To be honest, I might buy a little bit of Pepe just because I think as we get into the bull market, it probably will do well. Just because it's like a new meme coin. NXRA. I have some NXRA Alliance block. Rudo. It's one of my coins in my private watch list. I'll be honest, it's not one of my like top holdings, but I do have a little bit. I have a humble amount in NXRA Alliance block. If you guys haven't yet, definitely do some research on them. Ruboy says, what do you think Chainlink will go up to? At least $100 for sure. I think minimum $100, but Chainlink could do very well next bull run, but at least $100 for sure. I think the all-time high for Chainlink is what, it's around $55, I believe. Yeah, my 10K video are gonna be the coins that I believe will survive, but there's probably gonna be like a 1 or 2K invested on coins that are way more lower cap, that there's a big chance that they won't survive, like a couple of them. But that's that's why it's gonna be like 1K only invested in them, versus like 2K invested in Chainlink or 1,000 invested just in Chainlink. Zaba says generational wealth unless it goes up to at least 5K a coin. It's AI. What do you mean? I think the crypto market in general is going to be generational wealth. The coins that survive, obviously, right? Not the coins that go to zero. Rudo says Pepe gonna run with all the new liquidity. Yeah, I mean, I feel like Pepe is gonna be similar to Shiba in the beginning of the bull market. Like, remember when Shiba did the first pump, and then everyone was like, "Oh, this is just some crap meme coin." And then after the first pump, it had another big pump, and then another big pump. I feel like Pepe is gonna be similar to that. XPR, I haven't been researching XPR that much. I think I have a little bit of XPR Proton, but I heard good things about XPR too. It's definitely a more risk on coin, lower cap, so I'll be careful putting in a lot into XPR, but it's definitely worth researching for sure. Hey, what's up, Shane? How you been, bro? FaZe over at YouTube says I only got $180 in Pepe. That's how I am too. Just a small moon bag, but a nice small bag. Yes, me too. I like having a lot of coins, but like I said, most of the coins in my watch list, a lot of them is just a humble amount. It's just a, it's not like all of them have the same amount invested in. Most new people will come in buying memes they heard about. Pepe is definitely one of them. LOL. Yeah, for sure. That's what happened to Doge and Shiba, right? A lot of people are like, "Hey, buy this coin," and they just bought it for no reason. Last bull market. Sharif says, "What do you think about XLM?" I think XLM is a great coin. It's one of my top holdings too. Next to, not as much as XRP, but we see that it's very correlated with XRP. The last crazy pump, XLM, there was a delay, but after, I think it was in 30 to an hour, XLM, boom, right? It blasted off similar with XRP. And if you compare both of them, I think XLM has been outperforming XRP when you compare both of them in the recent pump. HG says Litecoin looking good right now. I'll take a look at Litecoin. Also, regarding Litecoin, when is Litecoin's happening? When does Litecoin have? I know it's this year. I think it's this month actually. But when is the Litecoin happening? Money Manny says I think Pepe coin goes up. Yeah, I think so too. I think Pepe is gonna be one of those meme coins that go up with Bitcoin next bull market. So that's why I'm looking to get into Pepe. When we have that big pullback on Bitcoin, I'm probably gonna buy a little bit of Pepe. I have like 0 now, so XLM will be an easy 20x. I think so too. It's crazy to think that XLM a couple days ago was 9 cents, under 10 cents, and it blasted off to 17 cents. Now it's at 15. So Shane says hello. I've been away from the Discord for a while. Was an OG Discord member. Not seeing it in my list anymore. Were there changes? Thanks. Yeah, I don't know if you. I did change it. I did allow it for free. I had like a 3-day free period. But if since you're an OG, just let me know. Come to the free Telegram. and let me know, and I'll add you back since you are in the Discord. So just go on Telegram, or you can message me on Twitter, and I'll add you to the new Discord. But if you guys want to join, it's in the Patreon. But the Telegram is free, obviously. Explain halving. So so like the Bitcoin halving or like the Litecoin halving is basically when I'm not too technical, so don't judge me. I know there's a lot of people that explain it way better, but it's basically the mining rewards are cut in half. So it's basically harder to mine Bitcoin. So there's people that have Bitcoin miners in the world, a lot of Bitcoin miners. The Bitcoin mining rewards are cut in half, and it's harder to mine Bitcoin basically, and that helps with the price, obviously, because since it's going to be harder to mine Bitcoin, they're going to be earning less Bitcoin rewards, and that's going to make it more scarce, right? Especially since it has a max supply of 21 million, in which the last Bitcoin block that's going to be mined is going to be 2041. So that's when Bitcoin is going to the last Bitcoin is going to be mined. It's going to be 20,041. That's the year. Phase Hayes says, but somebody put like $25, $50 and apparently turned into $1 million when it hit its all-time high. Yeah, that's insane. Someone put $20 to $50 in Pepe and it turned into $1 million, over $1 million. Like that can only happen in crypto, where someone puts a $25, $50 investment and it goes to over $1 million. That is just insane. And before Pepe blew up, I told you guys last streams, before Pepe blew up, I actually looked at the site and I was tempted to get some. Hey, what's up, John? How you been, bro? Yo, Lewis, I'm with for a few minutes. How's it going tonight? It's going great. We've been live streaming, I think, for about 2 hours. We almost got 8,000 likes. Appreciate you coming on here. Rudo says, I was buying XLM at 7 cents. Well, 70 cents. Miss those days. Yeah. It's been a long time since XLM was 70 cents, right? It's even hard to believe it was 70 cents at some point, but those are crazy days for sure. August 2nd, Litecoin halving. Oh, look at that. So thank you, Grizz. Grizz over at YouTube, just let us know. August 2nd is the Litecoin halving. So if you still haven't yet gotten, a position in Litecoin, it might take off after the halving, depending on the sentiment in the crypto markets. So we'll definitely keep an eye on Litecoin as we approach August 2nd for the halving. Can you stake XLM on Ledger? No, you can't stake XLM on Ledger, and I don't even think you can stake it out of Ledger. It's not. Yes, I don't think it's a stakeable coin. So, but I recommend just holding XLM cold storage on Ledger. If there is like some exchange out there that gives you rewards for XLM, that's not staking. Like they're giving you rewards like APY. Definitely don't do that, because they can lock up your coins. They can freeze your account or lock up your coins. So what do you do in your Discord? So my Discord is like more, it's like less people, since it's connected to my Patreon. We just talk about the market. We share our charts, we share our trades, we share our portfolio. Like I share all the coins that I'm invested in, and yeah, that's mainly it. We also give like signal alerts, but our Telegram has since it's free, it has way more people. But I just wanted to make the Discord because it'll feel like more like a like a family, right? It'll be like less people instead of a bunch of text messages every second. Thank you guys so much. We got a lot of people following. We got almost 10,000 likes. We got 13 likes over at YouTube. The term generational wealth will only apply to Jews. Face Hay says Litecoin halving August 3rd, something like that, or August 2nd. Yeah. Anytime, Shane. What's staking? So staking, it's basically when again, I'm not technical. I'm not too technical, so I don't know how to explain it well. But it's a way of earning rewards for your coin, but still having cold storage. Having cold storage for them. But what you're doing is like you're securing the network, like the blockchain. So the more people that stake, the more the network will be secured, because it's something that happens that's too technical for me to explain. I gotta literally watch a video. But you're basically just helping the network be more decentralized, and on top of that, you get rewards for helping it be more secured by staking. What's your Discord? So my Discord is in my my link tree. It should be the second link in my link tree, but it's connected to my Patreon. And yeah, my page it's tier 1. My Patreon, it's the Discord, and it's my private watch list. Again, if you guys are interested, it's tier 1, and then the other tiers are like my indicators that I created myself. Jabari says you can earn 5% APY on your XLM if you pair it with YXLM on Stellar X app. Really? I didn't even know about that. So look at that. Jabari says you can earn 5% APR on XLM if you pair with on the Stellar X app. Is the app like centralized, or can you like hold it cold storage? Definitely let us know. Thank you, Tammy, for following me. Yeah, it's like like interest. Basically, staking is earning interest, but the good thing about it is that you have cold storage. Like you have your coins, you own your coins, versus owning interest on like what happened with Celsius, right? Where people were earning like 10% interest on Celsius. And then, but what happened was they own your coins, and then when they went down, right, like you lost your coins because they owned it. So, yeah, you're basically earning interest, and you're helping secure the blockchain. So you're helping the blockchain be more secure. So like, I'll tell you some of the coins that you can stake. Cardano you can stake. Solana you can stake. Ethereum you can stake, ever since the migration. Cosmos you can stake as well. So there's a lot of coins that you can stake out there. Enjoy your content, appreciate what you do. I'm a fan and going to hang with you when able. Hey John, man, I appreciate you so much, man. Thank you so much for all the support. I'm happy you found my live stream. And I appreciate all of you guys too who found my live stream. Like I said last week, you know, the last couple weeks and months, I've been getting 10 views, 20 viewers, and man, hard work pays off for sure. You know, when you really love something, when you really have a lot of passion, you're naturally gonna do the hard work. It's not gonna feel like hard work. You're just naturally gonna do it because it's your passion. And at some point, right, you're gonna start to get traction. You're gonna start to get better. You're gonna start to see progress. So anything you guys do in life, make sure you enjoy it. And I know it's hard to find that thing that you enjoy, but once you do find it, make sure you grind, right? Because this is the age where people are literally making a living with the internet, doing things they love. I mean, we see TikTok, we see YouTube. This is the age where people are becoming financially free. You know, where we have digital nomads, people traveling and having, you know, a job, being financially free with their investments, right? So you guys got to take advantage of that. You guys got to grind, invest wisely. And man, if you guys, all you guys are on here, you guys are into crypto, you guys are into, you know, AI, crypto, which is the next huge innovation. This is literally the fifth, what is it, the fifth or fourth industrial revolution. And you see, the theme is, for every industrial revolution, the theme is efficiency. That's the theme. Every industrial revolution from the past, the theme was efficiency. What happens? We have a new invention, right? We have a new innovation, which right now it's crypto, it's the blockchain, that does what? It makes our world more efficient. And it takes out the middleman, right? It takes out the middleman. So like, people are sending money overseas, you know, they gotta do a wire transfer. It takes like, you know, 5 days. Like that's the middleman. The middleman is the banks. Crypto, you can do that in a couple seconds. And that's just one side to it. There's going to be a lot of utility within crypto and the blockchain that decentralizes a lot of things in our day-to life. So Coinbase is as safe as it gets in regards to centralized exchanges. Yeah, like I said early in the beginning of the stream, I said if I had to pick two exchanges where I would hold my coins, it would be Coinbase and the Kraken. But that's if I had to pick. Obviously, I have the choice to, and I don't, you know, the majority of my coins I don't hold it on those exchanges, on any exchanges. Grizz, this is hilarious. You keep it real. You do your homework, and you seem like a good person. I see that, and others do, and others too. Hey, John, man, thank you so much, bro. And yeah, definitely. And that's the thing. I enjoy learning about crypto. Like when I work, cause I'm a mailman. Like that's my day job. I'm a mailman. I like to listen to videos, podcasts, or like things regarding crypto. You know, the blockchain, technology, all these things. So that's how I learn about it. I literally learn about it in my day job. And I have the freedom to do that, fortunately, right? A lot of people have day jobs where they might not be able to also do their side hustle at the same time, right? For long-term perpetual futures, which can't really do decentralized. What do you mean long-term? You mean you can't? There are GMX, right? Can't you do futures on GMX? GMX is like a decentralized trading platform, which I think you can do futures on. Jabari says, if it ain't your keys, it ain't your crypto. And that's been the number one motto ever since crypto, ever since Bitcoin was invented. It's not your keys, it's not your crypto. And that's the thing. Once you guys get your keys, that it comes with responsibility. Having your keys comes with responsibility. You are responsible for your money. Okay? So you know that convenience that you had with the centralized exchanges, right? It was convenient. You know, you just had to memorize your password for your account, whatever, right? You log in with your Face ID or whatever, right? It was super convenient. Well, now when you have cold storage, you have the seed phrase, you are responsible. If you lose it, you lose all your money. If someone steals it, they can literally steal all your money. They just put the seed phrase and they could take your money. So you guys gotta be responsible. Brent Boya says, do you think going to $1,000 a share for which stock? Sean says, I agree with John. Thanks for helping me understand and answering my questions. Hey Sean, man, it's been a pleasure, and I appreciate talking to people about crypto, especially people that are new to it, right? Just getting started and new. And I appreciate you guys having an open mind, because a lot of people are really closed-minded regarding crypto and the blockchain, and I understand why, right? When you see all these meme coins and a lot of cryptos going to zero, and it's just super volatile. I understand why a lot of people are closed-minded, but you know, for the people that are open-minded, like you, Sean, and everyone on here, you know, I always say my biggest motto has always been, you know, the key to success, the key to being rich is having an open mind. Because when you have an open mind, that basically opens up so many possibilities, so many more possibilities in your life, so many more investments, so many more opportunities, right? I mean, when I was just into stocks, at first when I heard about crypto, I was kind of like, you know, cautious, just like everyone else, right? I was kind of like, you know, I don't know about that, like I really don't understand it. But then when I was open-minded, I learned about it. I learned the fact that what really got me was the fact that you can actually own digital money. And by that, like, I mean, you can actually own it. Like, no one can freeze it, no one can steal it, because it's not connected to like a centralized exchange. That's really what got me. I was like, damn, let me learn more about, you know, this Bitcoin, this crypto. But before that, I was open-minded, you see. So that's why I say being open-minded is really a key. Thoughts on KuCoin and MEXC for holding perpetual futures? MEXC has gems like Radian. Yeah, so I like MEXC and BitGet. If you want to help me out, you can use the links in my link tree to make an account. But MEXC and BitGet are my favorite for perpetual futures. Sean said, learned my lesson, lost a few Ks on public due to delisting on CLD store or move. Hey man, you know, I learned a lot too with crypto recently, holding on certain exchanges like Celsius. But you know, the riskier the play, right? The riskier the play, the more chances there could be like a delisting, or it can go to zero or something like that happen. Juan says, yeah, SEC appealing, XRP going back down. Yeah, I saw the news regarding the SEC. So there was news today regarding SEC saying that they're gonna appeal it. I think the reason why XRP didn't break the 77 yet is because I don't think it's confirmed yet. But once they actually do appeal it and it's 100% confirmed, maybe it's next week, then maybe we might see a big drop here, which you probably will see a big drop for XRP, probably coming back to 50, 60, like I said, 59, 61 cents. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if XRP dumps regarding that news. Something to watch out for too. It's coming in a way of life. If you like it or not, might as well learn about it. Yeah, exactly. That's the attitude to have. I think regardless of if people like crypto or not, there's a lot of crypto haters out there. Regardless if they like it or not, I think at some point everyone's gonna be forced, not forced, but they're gonna be tempted to buy crypto, because it's just gonna be over time adopted. And really what's gonna cause the adoption is the big companies, right? The ETFs, Vanguard, BlackRock, Amazon, right? Even Amazon already they partnered with Avalanche, right? And I think Meta partnered with Polygon or something. I know Polygon has a bunch of partnerships, but all these partnerships, all these things, That's really what's gonna cause the adoption over time. Hey, thank you Juan for following me. Thank you guys so much for following. We almost got 10,000 likes. You guys are awesome. Tyler says, when we think XRP will shoot up, I think next week. I think over the weekend we're gonna be probably flat, and then maybe starting Monday we might start working our way back up here to 80 cent XRP. But usually the weekend we are flat and boring. Shane says, with KuCoin US trading ended, is MEXC the next best micro? Yes, Shane. So, with KuCoin ending for the US, MEXC, in my opinion, and BitGet, I prefer BitGet, but MEXC is great too, is the next place for like micro cap cryptos to trade and leverage trade without KYC too. And if you want to help me out, Shane, you can use my link in the link tree. If you guys still don't have a MEXC or a BitGet account, you guys can use my link in the link tree. And I'm pretty sure you'll get like a rewards. I don't know what the rewards are for the specific exchanges, but I'm pretty sure if you use my link tree links, you'll get like some type of reward, or like less trading fees, like lower trading fees. Don't know why public delisted Cardano, Solana, and many others. I think probably due to like I think the reason why they delisted it is because regarding the news of Cardano being a security, right? I think it was a couple weeks ago where the SEC had some big news regarding a lot of coins being deemed a security, like Cardano was one of them, Solana, Matic, or a bunch of coins. But yeah, that's true. Why would one place delist and others keep? I think probably because public is more regulated, right? They're more strict versus other places, which it's just the way they operate. Face Hayes says, I trade on MEXC but haven't withdrawn USDT yet, still building my account a little bit. But if I have problems we'll switch to another crypto trading exchange like Kraken. $1 is becoming more and more worthless. It's just paper and too much of it in the world. Agree. Yeah, like printing all this money it's just not good. And at some point, I do agree, at some point, I think it's gonna be in our lifetime. I think the dollar really is, I don't think it's gonna collapse. I think it's gonna be transitioning to the digital dollar. And they're gonna get everyone to the digital dollar. We're gonna have a cashless society. That's really the plan. That's really the goal. That's what they want. And I don't want that, but the key thing here to always remember is control. They want control. They want to know everything that you buy. They want to see where you buy. Like, you guys seen, like, they've been talking about carbon footprints. Like, what the heck? Like, they want to limit buys regarding gas and things that are bad for the environment and all these things. So that's where the world is heading. John says, all this bull that's been going on with XRP plays with the emotions, it's so back and forth, but still holding. Yeah, I agree, John. It is very but the thing is, if you're long term, you're not gonna have that emotion. Like right now, I'm not really in my emotions because I'm holding my XRP long term. And I haven't been like trading it. I haven't been like day trading it like that. What is USDC? USDC is a stable coin that is pegged to the dollar, so it stays at $1. And usually, what it's used for is used to trade, to be like a pair. So like it'll be like a Cardano USDC pair, where it's pegged, where it's a pair for trading Cardano or other coins. And what's unique about USDC is I think Circle is the company for it. There's a big company called Circle, and I think the majority of the USDC is controlled from Circle. But what's bad about it is that USDC is very centralized to the fact that Circle can literally freeze your account. or like they can freeze your USDC, which is rare, but it happened in the past. Like if there's something bad going on, or like if the gov forces them, they can freeze someone that's holding USDC. They can freeze that that USDC that they hold. Yeah. Brian V says, so what's up with the chart? What's your prediction? My prediction, I think we stay flat over the weekend, but I honestly think that once XRP starts heading up here, we'll probably start forming a lower high here around 80 to 82 cents, which is going to be super bearish, because you know what happens, we make a lower high from the previous high, and we're also forming, as you can see, a head and shoulders, which is super bearish. So then we're probably going to come back down and start heading to the downside, probably to like 61, 60 cents. Okay, that's the bearish scenario. The bullish scenario, which I think is going to take a lot to take place, is we hold this important level, and then sometime next week or the next coming days, we work our way up here and we break the previous high. This needs to happen to stay bullish. We need to break the previous high of 84 cents, because then we're going to continue. We're going to be continuing this uptrend channel, right? So the next coming days, it's going to be very key for XRP to hold this level here. Yeah, the purple channel is actually the support. It's the range the XRP is in right now. At the moment, it's support, but as you can see right here, back here, it was resistance. Okay, back here in July 16th. Back here it was resistance, right? But usually, what becomes resistance also becomes support. So we'll see if it happens this time. And another great example is also right here. What was once resistance, right here, right? This was resistance, becomes support. So you see, we have a lot of resistance here. We break that, blast off, create a new resistance level, but every time we break that heavy resistance, usually we sell off back to it, and we make it a support. We make that resistance a support, and then we start working our way back up here, making a higher high. And that's all the uptrend is. It's just creating higher highs and higher lows. So the next thing for XRP to stay bullish is simply make a higher high. That's it. We need to make this 77 cents a higher low from the previous higher low, which was 73 cents. And then we're bullish. So I guess you can say too that if we break our previous higher low of 73 cents, we are going to come down hard for sure. So yeah. Prasad says, what do you think? How much time XRP will take to touch $10? I'd say a lot of that depends on the news, right? So I can't predict that, because I think for it to hit $10, it could hit $10 next bull market. But it depends a lot on the news regarding that. But I say at least we'll hit at least $5 if it stays bullish regarding the news and the sentiment. Brian says, yeah, they're trying to FUD us out, right? They're trying to get they're trying to get XRP to dump, so they want to get a cheaper prices. Yeah, XRP, the only crypto clarity. It's the only regulated crypto at the moment, right? And it's great because I think this is a big play for the other coins that can also not be deemed as security, right? So it's a great thing for the crypto market, the crypto space in general. So We'll see if it continues to be a trend. But I think what's gonna happen is we're gonna get more regulated, and I think the trend for next bull run is gonna be regulation and utility. Right? We're gonna have a crap load of regulation, and the coins that are gonna survive are the true utility coins. And all the coins that were like, you know, there's so many meme coins on CoinMarketCap that have like millions of dollars in them, and I feel like a lot of these coins are gonna go to zero, and all that money is gonna flow into the true utility coins. But again, this is gonna take a lot of time. This is like going into 2025 still, so we still got a heck of a ride to go. So Sonic says, is XRP good or not? I personally like XRP. I'm neutral on it, but I hold XRP. It's one of my top holdings. But yeah, if you guys want to see my private watch list, again, like I said, it's in my Patreon tier 1, and in my tier 1 you also join the Discord. That's if you guys want to join. It's all in my link tree. Good stuff, Sir Lewis. I'm going to continue surfing TikTok. Be back later if you're still here. Hey Brian, thanks so much. Definitely follow. I'll be live streaming tomorrow, for sure. I got work tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to get some sleep, so I'm not sleep deprived. But I'll be live streaming tomorrow for sure. And definitely follow for more lives, more good content, and also follow me on YouTube. I bring you guys. I got 32K subscribers on YouTube. Also do videos on there. Dark Horse. Go watch Dark Horse sometime. Shares them. Yeah, I'll take a look at Dark Horse. I've never seen it before, so I'll take a look at Dark Horse. Hey John, thank you so much, bro. I'm about to get off right now too. I gotta get some sleep, but thank you for coming to the live stream. Thank you all of you guys. I'll be live again tomorrow. If you guys love crypto, wow, we almost got 10K. You know what? I'll wait till 10K likes. We're at 9.3K likes. I'll wait to get off at 10K likes, just cause you know, 10 is a special number. Yeah, check him out. Yeah, I'll check him out. Thank you, Red. Yeah, I'll get out. I'm gonna wait till we get 10K likes here, but I'll be live again tomorrow. This is my 4th time in a row being live here. Man, I've been trying to grind. We've been getting over 50 viewers. Oh, you know, over 70 viewers in general. But appreciate all of you guys that discovered me. Definitely follow me on YouTube. And if you guys want to join my Patreon, you know, you guys can join my Patreon, contact me in the Discord and all that. It'd be great to have you guys. There we go. We got 10K likes. Love you guys. Thank you guys so much for all the support, all the gifts. I'll be back live tomorrow to talk about XRP and where we might head. Right now, I believe we're going to stay flat over the weekend. But I'll be live again tomorrow to talk about markets. And I got to get some sleep. But thank you guys so much. God bless you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.